Hello friends, I welcome you all in this video tutorial that is about Excel in decision making. And in this video tutorial we are going to discuss the syllabus of this subject and its important topics, unit wise important topics of this subject, Excel in decision making. So let's start with the syllabus. So total we have 4 units, and first unit is introduction to data mining. Second unit is about data analysis using a spreadsheet. Third unit is dedicated to advanced data cleaning using MS Excel. And fourth unit is about advanced data visualization using MS Excel. Okay. So let me tell you important topics unit wise. So let's start with unit 1, that is about introduction to data mining. So syllabus wise, this unit covers data mining, overview of data mining, and prediction and classification problems. So especially KNN, K nearest neighbors algorithm, naive Bayes algorithm, and tree based like decision tree algorithm for classification. So all these topics are to be covered in this unit. And important questions that may be asked from this unit maybe like, what do you mean by data mining? Discuss its advantages, disadvantages, and applications. Second one, they may ask like, explain any one classification algorithm. So here you may explain any one like naive Bayes or KNN, and its applications, advantages, and disadvantages also you have to discuss. In next unit, second unit, that is about data analysis using a spreadsheet. So basic functions in Excel and basic data manipulation in Excel, like arithmetic manipulation and functions for absolute and relative references. These things are going to be covered. And important questions that may ask like, explain with examples the Excel operators like arithmetic and string concatenation, comparison, and reference. So these type of questions may be asked. Second question, that discuss the given functions with example like now function, hlookup function, concatenate function, now function, today function, weekday and month. So all about these functions they may ask question. And in third unit especially, that is about advanced data cleaning and analysis. So basic logical and statistical operators that we use in MS Excel, that we have to cover, and concatenate function, and the most important topic, that is about what if analysis. So after what if analysis, important topic is about lookup functions like VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So important questions may be based on HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, and they may ask about explaining what if analysis process in detail with example. So after this we will go to unit 4, that is about advanced data validation and visualization. So it is mainly based on the topics related to data filtering and charting tools that we use in general, like line and bar graph, pie chart, pivot chart, scatter plots, and histograms. So all these charting tools available in MS Excel, so that is going to be covered. So important questions, why it may be asked to explain different type of charts and their importance in Excel. Second one, they may ask about discuss data filtering with suitable MS Excel functions. So this was the brief introduction of the complete syllabus that is going to be covered in Excel in decision making subject. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you. Thank you so much.